हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य सप्तपञ्चाशत्तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। एकवारं ह्यस्तनकक्षायाः पुनर्स्मरणं। यः वयम् अद्यतन ह्यस्तन श्वस्तन पुरातन इदानीन्तन तथैव पूर्वतन एतेषां शब्दानां परिचयं वयं प्राप्तवन्तः। तदनुगुणम् अभ्यासं वयं कृतवन्तः। अग्रे 39तमं पाठमपि वयं समापितवन्तः। तत्र अद्यतन ह्यस्तन श्वस्तन पुरातन इदानीन्तन इत्येतेषाम् अर्थाः भवन्ति of that particular days or of that particular time. So अद्यतन today's and ह्यस्तन yesterday's and श्वस्तन tomorrow's and पुरातन olden days and इदानीन्तन the nowadays at present and similarly पूर्वतन the previous. So there are the meanings for these and the examples we saw was अद्यतन वार्तां पठामि, अनन्तरं श्वस्तन कार्यम् अद्य करोमि, ह्यस्तन कार्यं न समाप्तम् and पुरातन पुस्तकम् अस्ति and इदानीन्तनकाले वेदपाठशालाः विरलाः. These are all the examples we have seen. And of course, if it is used as a samastapadam, we don't need to add anything. We can directly use these words as it is, like adyatana, shvastana, hyastana. But in case if we are splitting and using them as individual words, then as it is not an avyayam, it should undergo all the different forms based on the vibhakti, vachanam and lingam. So it will be adyatanaha, adyatani and adyatanam in all three genders. And of course they go like Ramaha or Nadi and Vanam. And it declines with all other forms of 21 other forms actually. That we have seen yesterday, and this generally goes as a Visheshanam for other noun. That's what we have seen. So with that we have completed the 39th lesson in our book, and now we are moving to new topic for today. So again today we are going to see we are going to see few new shabdas, and there are 5 or 6 shabdas in the next chapter. We are going to see them one by one and practice as usual. So in that series, the first one is kintu. The kintu is again an avyayam. So that means it doesn't change based on vibhakti, vachanam and lingam, unlike the previous ones. So kintu, the meaning of that is but. In English we use but preposition. It's the same meaning as that. So let us see some examples and understand them better. So vrishtihi asti kintu aham devalayam gacchami. Vrishtihi asti, the rain, it rains, and aham devalayam gacchami, I go to the temple. So it's something like rain exists, it is raining, but I still go to the temple. Okay, that's the meaning when we had kintu. So vrishtihi asti kintu aham devalayam gacchami. And similarly, dhanikasya samipe dhanam asti kintu dhanikaha danam na karoti. So there is money with the rich person, but he does not do the donation. It does not donate. And similarly, another example is bubuksha asti kintu aham bhojanam na karomi. It is hungry, but still I don't eat. And कार्यालयस्य विरामः नास्ति किन्तु अहं गच्छामि. Sorry, I think it should be the other way. Okay, कार्यालयस्य विरामः नास्ति, there is no holiday in the office. किन्तु अहं न गच्छामि, so still I don't go. Okay, it should be अहं न गच्छामि. And the next example is bahuni pustakani santi kintu aham na pathami. So there are many books, but still I don't read. So these are all the few examples, and one more is pustakani santi kintu pathanartham samayaha nasti. The books are there, but there is no time to read. And devalayaha grihasya samipe asti kintu na gacchami. The temple is near to my home or near to the home, but I don't go. So these are the few examples using kintu. And of course it's generally used to join two sentences, but of course it's a two or we are not actually joining two sentences, but it's generally used as a conjunction between these two sentences to express the meaning of but. Okay, that's simple it is. And sometimes in the place of kintu, alternatively the parantu is also used. It also gives the same meaning. So vrishtihi asti parantu aham devalayam gacchami. Dhanikasya samipe dhanam asti parantu dhanikah danam na karoti. And bubuksha asti parantu aham bhojanam na karomi, and so on. So at the place of kintu, you can still use parantu. These both are actually kind of alternatively, they are interchangeably used. Okay, I think this is about the kintu. Maybe we'll have a very short Q&A. If there are any questions, you can clarify, and we will have, if possibly, try to frame some sentences using kintu.
ज्वरः अस्ति किन्तु अहं चिकित्सालयं न गच्छामि.
सम्यक्. Meaning?
I have fever. My fever is there, but I don't go to the hospital.
सम्यक्.
परीक्षा समीपम् अस्ति किन्तु बालकाः न पठन्ति. Exams are near, but the boys are not studying. They don't study. ह्यः एव पठितवती किन्तु अद्य विस्मरामि. I studied just yesterday. Yesterday only I studied, but today I forget.
सम्यक्.
मम गृहे कार्यानम् अस्ति किन्तु अहं न उपयोगं करोमि. I have the car in my house, but I am not using it.
सम्यक्. उपयोगं करोमि.
उपयोगं. Sorry. उपयोगं.
समयः अस्ति किन्तु अहं पाठं न पठामि. पुस्तकं न पठामि.
किन्तु पाठं न पठामि. सम्यक्.
आपणे अनेकानि वस्तूनि सन्ति किन्तु एकमेव सम्यक् नास्ति. There are many things in the shop, but even one is not good.
एकमपि सम्यक् नास्ति.
एकमपि सम्यक् नास्ति.
आसन्दाः सन्ति किन्तु सर्वे भूमौ उपविशन्ति. There are chairs, but everybody sits down on the ground.
सम्यक्.
बुभुक्षा अस्ति किन्तु अहं पाकं न करोमि. I am getting hungry, but still I have not prepared food.
I have not
done
पाकं
cooking.
न कृतवती.
I have not done cooking.
Yeah, that means it's a past tense. It's aham na पाकं न कृतवती.
पाकं न कृतवती.
सः that is yesterday ह्यः आगतवान् किन्तु अद्य न आगच्छति. Is it correct?
What is the meaning?
Yesterday he came, but today he is not coming.
Yeah, सम्यक्. उत्तमम्.
अहं ह्यस्तन कार्यं न कृतवती किन्तु अद्य अहं करोमि. Yesterday's work I did not finish yesterday's work, but I'm doing it now.
उत्तमम्.
अहं पाकं कृतवती परन्तु कोऽपि न खादन्ति.
कोऽपि न खादति. Okay, so I think that's all about the Q&A. Let's move further. This is a very simple one. The next we will have forum exercise on this. Write 5 sentences using kintu. Yeah, next one is nischayena and prayashaha. We are going to see them together. The meanings of them are like for nischayena it means definitely or surely or certainly, and for prayashaha it means probably or most likely. Okay, that is the meaning of these words. And let us see some examples and understand them. So nischayena aham shvaha agamishyami. So definitely I will come tomorrow. And nischayena vayam grahapatam kurmaha. So definitely we do the homework. We do the homework. And nischayena agami mase mama mitram mama griham agicchati. Certainly my friend would come in the upcoming month or next month. Come to my home. And next is for prayashaha, just other way. Prayashaha shvaha karyalayam na gacchami. So most probably I may not go to this. I will not, or I don't go to the office tomorrow. And again, prayashah adya mama mitram na agachyati. So most likely my friend will not come. Most likely my friend does not come today. And again, prayashah pariksha agami mase bhavishyati. So most likely it seems that exam may be in the upcoming next month. Okay, that's some. So basically, prayashah actually gives uncertainty on the sentence, and the nischayana gives the certainty on that one. Okay, so that is the. It's a very simple one. So all we need to do is the practice. So with that, we'll start a very short Q&A again for these two things. Maybe you can give two examples, one for nischayana and one for prayashah.
अद्यतनकार्यम् अहं निश्चयेन करोमि, परन्तु श्वस्तनकार्यं प्रायशः न कर्तुं शक्नोमि.
Meaning?
Today's work I definitely will do, and tomorrow's work I won't do.
I may not do. Okay, सम्यक्.
कर्तुं न शक्नोमि.
श्वः निश्चयेन वर्षा भविष्यति. प्रायशः अग्रिमसप्ताहे सूर्यः we will see the sun, or the sun will come out. सूर्यः दृश्यते. Can you say that, sir?
Yeah, दृश्यते. Yeah,
दृश्यते.
Should be okay.
निश्चयेन आगामि मासे मम पुत्रः मम गृहम् आगच्छति. Definitely my son will come.
आगमिष्यति.
आगमिष्यति. आगमिष्यति.
अस्तु. प्रायशः
I'll try later.
श्वः अतिथयः मम गृहं निश्चयेन आगमिष्यन्ति.
सम्यक्.
अद्य वृष्टिः अस्ति, अतः प्रायशः वर्गः न भविष्यति.
सम्यक्.
निश्चयेन अहं प्रतिदिनं अटनं करोमि भ्रमणं करोमि.
सम्यक्. प्रायशः
मम पुत्रः कार्यालयं न गच्छति. कार्यालयं न
गच्छति. सम्यक्.
निश्चयेन अहं कार्यालयं गच्छामि. प्रायशः अहं श्वः मित्रं मेलिष्यामि.
अद्य अहं निश्चयेन गृहे भोजनं पचामि. प्रायशः श्वः भोजनालये खादिष्यामि.
यत्र यत्र नाट्यकार्यक्रमं भविष्यति तत्र तत्र अहं निश्चयेन गमिष्यामि.
यत्र यत्र नाट्यकार्यक्रमः भविष्यति.
कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति तत्र. And maybe प्रायशः is probably right. I make sentence. भवान् प्रायशः आगामि वर्षे भाषाप्रवेशः द्वितीयभागं आरम्भं करोति वा?
करिष्यति is the right one. करिष्यति and similarly द्वितीयभागस्य आरम्भं करिष्यति.
भागस्य
प्रायशः श्वः मम पिता कार्यालयं न गमिष्यति.
उत्तमं.
Because my father will not go to the office.
श्वः निश्चयेन वृष्टिः भविष्यति. and
Mhm.
प्रायशः अहं भवान् गृहे न आगमिष्यामि.
प्रायशः अहं भवतः गृहं न आगमिष्यामि.
भवतः गृहे न आगमिष्यामि.
गृहं न आगमिष्यामि.
गृहं न आगमिष्यामि.
सप्तमी न भविष्यति, तत्र द्वितीया भवेत्.
ओके महोदय.
यदि अहं संस्कृतस्य अभ्यासं करोमि तर्हि यदि अहं प्रतिदिनं संस्कृतस्य अभ्यासं करोमि तर्हि निश्चयेन संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कर्तुं शक्नोमि.
सम्यक्. The next one I think we will have the same way. We need to write 3 sentences for each. One for 3 for Nischayana and 3 for Prayashah. That would be the forum exercise. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group, or you can find the link for the group in the course page below. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And if you have any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series, or if you have any questions on this, you can also post them in the comment section below. And finally, click on the like button if you like this, and thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.